So, hello and welcome back. I have here two components which I want to use and try out on my bike. Now, you see most likely the video with my broken clutch cable. To avoid that, I was thinking to clean and lube the cable. Now, I bought this thingy here online. This is what, about, how much did I pay? About €4, $4, something like that. And this cable loop I bought. So let's see how it goes. It's the first time I do that. Yeah, should be quite easy, quite simple. Let's hope this little thing works as described. Let's see.
Hello, I'm Nicolai. Welcome to Spoke Wanderer.
Let's roll. So we use a 10mm wrench to loosen it. As I said, this is the first time I do that, so let's see how it goes. So. Okay, screw out. Ooh, very dirty, if you can see. And then definitely we need to put this all in. Alaikum salam. Let's see. This we can take out like this. Yeah. See, now this is the challenge with thingy. And get out. And it's out. So, all right. It looked like it worked quite well. Now I use this one, so this we take out of the way. Then we're gonna clean these guys, clean here, and I use the well-known old WT-40. So to put this is basically you put the cable here, you squeeze this in, keep this here, and then you try to tighten this as much as possible. This one same. Okay. And then we have a small hole here. Which we need to spray in. So let's see if this works the way we expect. So we're gonna see on the other side down if it comes or not. Now we know this cable is a bit not sure. Let's try a bit more. Looks like it's working. At least I can feel down some oil coming. Let's try a little bit more. This is not the way it should be. Okay, let's remove that. Now I installed it back. It's very simple actually, very easy. Now the only thing is you have to pay attention that the tension of the clutch cable is rightly set. Now some bikes it's just a little bit, here is always a little bit more. So next is I install different levers because this go all the way in to be engaged, to be the clutch engaged. So now as you could see with these little tools it worked actually quite well with the cable loop. The clutch feels definitely more easygoing. It's going a bit zigzag around in the bike and has some hard parts as you can see in the video up here. It's very easy. Now I just have to test drive it and see if the clutch engages the same way as before. Well, leave me down a comment, give me a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and I see you back soon on my channel. I'm Nicolai, your spoke wanderer. Ciao for now.